Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy something on the Ulta Beauty website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ulta.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Ulta Beauty website. Now from this page, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the join/sign in or your account icon at the top right section, and then you can use your credentials to log in. After logging into your account, you will be able to see various products that you can buy. Now you can simply scroll through the various offerings, or you can also choose by brands, shops, and the sale categories. You can also use the search box to search for various kinds of items that you need. Now when you find an item that you are interested in, you can go ahead and click on this product and you will find the button which says add to bag. Go ahead and click on this button and it will successfully be added to your bag. Now you will be able to see your bag within which you have added the products. Now you can click on the keep shopping button to add more products into your bag. And when you are done with selecting all of your products that you want to buy, you can click on the view bag button. Go ahead and click on view bag after finishing all of your product search, and then you will see the checkout button. Before clicking on the checkout button, you can choose what kind of pickup or delivery service you would like to choose. Now whether you choose any option, you may need to provide your address or choose a pickup point. After entering your address or choosing a pickup point, you have two different options to pay. You can either click on the checkout button or you can click on the pay with PayPal in order to pay from your PayPal account. Now click on whichever option is suitable for you and you may be asked to enter your payment information. Just enter your payment information or choose your PayPal account and finish your purchase by finalizing the checkout, and then once your purchase has been verified, your product will begin its shipping and you will receive your product within a few days or within the explained delivery date. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to buy something on the Ulta Beauty website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.